we're now gonna work on our new comment notification. So for that, we can go back to our code. Actually, I changed the theme to light, if you have noticed. So today we're working with light mode. Right down here, we can just copy the users first of all. We're gonna need this. Just copy one, the user, put it inside here in the new comment notification. Right, after doing that, we're gonna add another one, comment. Let's change the model here to comment, and here let's get the comment. Since right now we're working with the new comment and we are saving a comment ID into the table, let's now collect that. There, app models comment find from the comment ID. All right, now here we're gonna, in the avatar for the user, we're gonna do the same thing we did up, this one route. So copy this, come here, this one route username to the profile. Also here fake name, we're gonna say pass this route, and here get there username, and here I'm gonna get, let's pass a new route here. Let's just type this post route. I'm gonna pass a parameter here. The parameter is going to be here from the comment, right? We have this comment, so now we're gonna pass the comment. Since this is a polymorphic, we're not gonna say comment post, we're gonna say comment commentable ID, like that. And here we have this comment here. Let's just pass, remove this lorem ipsum. And here I'm gonna say comment body. Here we have this time, like the date for this notification. We just make our work easy and just copy this long code up there, paste it inside here. Notification created at short absolute diff for humans. Last but not the least, here, so we're just going to navigate to our post page. So here, let's get this and then paste it in here. Now this is done. If you go and let's go ahead and test this here, let's refresh the page. Alright, after the page is refreshed, right here in this browser, I have another user logged in who actually owns this first post. So let's go ahead on this other user and comment on this post. New comment. There, it has been added. And now if we go ahead to this user, refresh. Okay, right now if I check notifications, you see that we have this new comment by this user commented with a comment, new comment. And I can actually navigate to the post like that. And we have this post with the new comment that we just saw, new comment, and I can actually like this. So this is working fine. But here if you see notifications, we're getting notifications, but we're not really pulling the correct media here. So let's go ahead and create media for our post liked and our new comment. So if you go back here inside this A tag for the post, here in our new comment notification, let's just create a new PHP variable at PHP. Here we're gonna create a cover rather. Here let's say comment commentable. Here we can say media first. Alright, and then after the PHP, in here outside this, we're gonna say add switch. In here, I'm gonna get the cover mime. Here, the case is going to be if it's a video, a string video, then we're gonna say div dot say height 11, width 10. Inside here, I'm gonna get x video. Alright, in here, let's add controls, make this false, and then source. You can get the cover URL. Right, and then here, if the case at case, if the case is an image, and then I'm just gonna pass an image, height 11, your width 10, and object cover. The source gonna be the same as this one. The alt can just say image. Here down, just remove this. Alright, and then before we actually, let's also copy this like that and go to our post liked. This one, post like notification. Let's just remove this and then paste that in here. But if you notice, we don't have commentable here since this is the post. You're gonna remove this commentable and then just say post media, since we already have the post model from here, from the top right here. So now if we go ahead and refresh, it should just show the correct image equally. Now if we check here, awesome, now you see this guy commented on this post, this guy liked your post with the correct image. Right, so I think that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.